Want your code to write itself and get chat support that debugs your problems and fix errors for you? Here's how you can get this feature in your Visual Studio in under 5 minutes. Head over to your extensions and search for GitHub Copilot and install this extension. Once it's done installing, you can click on the sign in button and continue to log into your GitHub account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to Visual Studio where GitHub Copilot will help you in coding in several ways. But before that, you need to go to your status bar and click on the Copilot icon and check if inline suggestions are on for all files or not. After that, you can open any of your files and start coding like usual, but you'll see that there is a suggestion from Copilot. To accept this suggestion, you'll have to click on the tab button. And if you don't want to accept the whole suggestion, you could simply click on the control button and press the right arrow key to accept parts of the suggestion and tab key for an entire suggestion. The next way to use Copilot to your advantage is by typing in comment about what you want to create. Like here, I want to create a form having username, password and a submit button, and watch how Copilot suggests me the whole form code. Now, if I hover over this suggestion, I can see there are two code suggestions and I can switch between which one I want to use, and I could simply just tap on the tab button and accept the suggestion, and now my form is ready within a few clicks. Another feature that Copilot has is that you can select your code and click on the star button that you see and click on the modify, and now you can ask the Copilot to modify or edit your code according to what you need. I'm going to ask it to add validation to my form, and let's see how it responds. You can see how Copilot has created an entire script function for validation, and it has also highlighted different parts of code which have been changed, which gives me an easy understanding of what all has changed and what is the same. So now I'm just going to accept this code, and just like that, my entire form is ready to use. Not only this, but Copilot has chat functionality as well, where you could simply write in anything that you want to create. Like I want to create a hero element for my page, and it will give me the output which I could either apply to my header.html, which is this file right here, or I could insert at my cursor or simply copy paste, and there are more options like insert into terminal or insert into an entirely new file. I'm simply just going to apply it to my header.html and see how it has changed my whole file, and you can see the color codes as to where the changes have been made and what all changes have done. No matter how fast and swift Copilot can be, you should always review your code without blindly trusting Copilot before going ahead and using it in your websites. The last functionality of Copilot that I want to talk about is the reviewing. I'm taking a Python file and I'll select the whole file and click on the star button and review my code, and you can see how GitHub Copilot has reviewed my code and suggested me some changes that I should be using instead of what I've used. I could either apply and go to the next suggestion or discard and go to the next suggestion. I'm going to discard this one and go to the next suggestion, suggesting me to use a lambda function which is more efficient. So I'll apply this one and go to the next, and this way you could use GitHub Copilot not only for code completion but also for reviewing the code that you have already written.